This is a talk, baby.
Sometimes I wonder when I look back in time, all I can see is us sitting in the circle getting high. We don't realize how we're wasting time at the time trying to pass time while we're getting high. Time is always spent intending to make use of it, but catch ourselves wanting the time to fly by. And when time flies by, we're missing, and we wishing we can go back and retry the time we let pass by. If we all lived our lives right, we wouldn't waste about fixing the past. Why don't we think about the future time? Cause when it's gone, it's too late to cry. We can fix it ahead of time. Sitting here in the present seems fine, but inside I know life can be better for you and I. If we want more, why do we keep finding ourselves in the circle just passing time? Passing demons around like it's alright. I think we could live life better and quit being lowlifes. I think of all the memories and in the process of forgetting the bad, the good ones that I have are also becoming a thing of the past. It's messed up. If we all lived our lives right, we wouldn't wish about fixing the past. Why don't we think about the future time? Cause when it's gone, it's too late to cry. We can fix it ahead of time. Like Tupac said, maybe we could see better days, cause better days can get rid of the thoughts of wrongdoings. I know we're all human, but the things we're doing fills me with the emotion of losing. The things we choose is selfish and leaves everybody else with bruises. What are we doing? If we all live our lives right, we wouldn't wish about fixing the past. Why don't we think about the future time? We can fix it ahead of time.